I bought a 10-pound bag of leg quarters. I'm deboning them, and we're going to see what we can make out of them. Now, as you can see, I am not an official deboner, but we get the job done. Well, we'll kick this one into overdrive. You'll get them cut up into chunks. Make sure we get any small bones or gristle I might have left in there. Make sure them are all out. And we'll debone another one here. Now, I'm not going to debone all 10 pounds of it on camera, but just kind of showing you how we debone it. I know it's probably not the quickest or easiest way, but we get the job done. Hey, leg quarters is good meat, and it's one of the less expensive meats out there. You can make anything out of it. I think that chicken leg and thigh was stronger than I am. Now that I'm throwing the bones into, we're going to vacuum seal it too and freeze it. We're going to save that for chicken stock. And we're going to cut up the meat, and we're going to vacuum seal it and put it in the freezer. All because we're going to make something out of it. Well, and what will we be making? That is the 27-cent question. Well, with today's prices, that's the $27 million question. And we'll just have to see what it is we're going to make in one of our future videos. Well, we ended up with about 6 pounds of deboned chicken quarters and about 4 pounds of bones. Now I'd add a little bit of ice to these as I went along to keep them cold. Well, now we'll have to see what we're going to make out of this besides chicken stock. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.